For today's video, magpo-promote tayo ng videos sa YouTube, okay? Gamit si Multi-View Browser. Madadaload sa Play Store or App Store, okay, guys. Okay, open na natin siya, guys. Okay. Okay, may apat na, guys. Single view lang natin, guys. Okay. Search natin m.youtube.com, okay. Okay, go. Search natin yung ating second channel, Robert Vlog Official, guys. Guys, okay. Videos, okay. Linis carburetor, guys. Then, guys, click lang natin yung sexual views, okay. 64 views, okay. Okay, guys. Okay, tanggalin natin yung Bluetooth, guys. Patayin muna natin yung Bluetooth. Okay. Ayun, guys. Mag-start na, guys, oh. Okay, start natin siya, guys. So, ganun, guys. Ayun, search mo lang uli yung YouTube channel at saka mo i-search. So, sample, guys. Ayun, guys. Wala, guys. Okay. Robert Vlog Official YouTube. Okay, guys. Babalik. Ano yan, guys? Nagkukuha niyan, guys. Search. Ayun, guys. Ayun, guys. Robert Vlog Official, guys. Okay. Video. Hindi, Robert Vlog Official, guys. Search natin, guys. Robert Vlog Official, okay. May mukha dito, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Click lang natin, guys. Okay. Video, guys. Carburetor, guys. Ayan, tama-tama, guys.
Lagyan sila ng carburetor. So, at sa internet.
So, ang ganito lang ang video nito, okay? Sana nakatulong ang video nito para sa mga baguhan sa YouTube. Ang maraming ng views, okay, validate ko ating ipinopromote dito sa ating Multi-View Browser, okay? Kuwari, guys, kung ngayon ka na 1,000 views, okay? Validate naman yung mga ilang views doon, guys, okay? So, ganito lang ang video nito. Thanks for watching.